Welcome back, guys. In this video, I will show you how to create YouTube videos with AI tools, such as ChatGPT. These tools will make it easy for you to generate quality YouTube videos in minutes, and will cost you $0 to a few dollars only if you wish to upgrade. Firstly, we'll write the video script with ChatGPT, so go to OpenAI website to register if you don't have an account. I will drop the link in the description for you to sign up, and it is completely free. So we can start by asking ChatGPT to provide the topic ideas in a chosen niche. I chose the finance niche, so I can say, give me 5 video ideas for a finance niche on YouTube. And it goes, sure, here are 5 video ideas for a finance niche on YouTube. It has given us 5 different topics, and also explained what the video could be about. And since it understands the context of this chat, you can go ahead with the script and say, give me a title and a script for number 5. Sure, here's a potential title and script for the video idea, The Psychology of Money. Now, it wrote the title, gave us 4 subtopics, and wrote the intro as well as the conclusion. But if you are not happy with the result, you can always tweak your prompt. So let's try that and say, rewrite the script, make the intro captivating, ask viewers to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Money Matters, and make the subtopics 3 headings only. Also finish the video by asking viewers to subscribe to our channel. Then it goes, sure, here's a revised script for the Psychology of Money video. This script follows the prompt better, and all you need to do is to copy and paste it in a doc or note. The next step is to go to Pictory. This is another AI tool that can turn your script or articles into videos within seconds. It is also free, and you can sign up at pictory.ai. The link will also be in the description below. What you want to do is click on Proceed on the script to video block. Then, paste your script here in the text editor. You can enter a title if you wish, but the most important thing is this scene settings. You can allow it to highlight some keywords and select video clips for you automatically. And you can also set the scenes to be generated at every sentence, paragraph, or both. I'll leave it this way and click on Proceed. Pictory has a lot of templates. You can scroll to find the one you prefer. But I have to say that anyone you pick can always be customized to your liking. So, I'll go with this, and then choose the aspect ratio of 16:9, which is suitable for YouTube videos, and then click on Continue. You only need to wait for a few seconds, as Pictory will try to find video clips and photos it thinks are suitable for each scene of the video. After loading up, you can see your script on the left side of the canvas, which can be edited. And the scenes of the video are at the bottom of the screen. It may get the clips right or wrong, and if it is wrong like that of this first clip, go to the Visuals tab at the left bar to find another one. You can search for a keyword, and it may show related search terms that fit the current clip, so I'll click on Money. Simply click on the clip you want, and the current clip will be replaced. You can go ahead to click on another scene at the timeline, search for the related term, and choose the clip you want. I'll repeat this for other clips that don't feel right, and skip this video to the next step. After you've chosen the clips, the next thing is the text. I personally don't use this in my videos, as I prefer YouTube captions, but many people do like it, so this is how to edit it. Click on the text, and the options will appear on the top bar to edit it. You can change the font, and change the size to a smaller one, change the animations, or the position on the screen. You can also replace the color of the text and the background color. And if you want this to apply to all the texts, you must click on Apply to All. Moving forward, we need the audio, or most importantly the voiceover. So click on Audio on the left bar and go to Voiceover. Let's listen to some of this.
Welcome to Pictory. It has been shown that video increases conversion rates by 80%.
Welcome to Pictory. It has been shown that video increases conversion rates by 80%.
Welcome to Pictory. It has been shown that video increases conversion rates by 80%.
Now this is completely fine and you can use it. However, let me show you another Hey tool that is designed specifically for VoiceOver, and that is Murf.Hey. This is also free to try. All you need is to copy your script, then click on Create a new project. Give it a name and select Start Blank to continue. Paste your copied script here in the text box, and you'll be asked to split the script by paragraphs or sentences. The second option is recommended for script, so I'll choose that and continue. Now let's listen to the voices by clicking on the avatar. They have both male and female voices, so let's see.
Hi, I'm Nate. I'm one of the friendly and relatable American voices in Murf. I'm also
It only takes one voice, at the right pitch, to start an avalanche.
We know, it's such a drag having to take the bus to work. You're always late for meetings.
Once upon a time, there was an old goat who had 7 little kids and loved them with.
Introducing Perfect Meal, a special formula for your feline, made with real chicken.
As you can see, this is of higher quality than that of Pictory, though that may be because it is dedicated to do this. You can click on the heart icon to favorite a voice and select it to apply it to the script. This will apply it to the selected block only, however, you can replace others with it by checking this box to apply it to the entire script. You can then click the play icon below to generate and play the audio.
Welcome to Money Matters, your go-to source for finance tips and tricks. Today, we're going to dive into the fascinating world of the psychology of money. Part 2. The influence of culture. Our culture can also impact.
You may need to do some editing like this. As you may have noticed, it read the heading along with our culture, so I'll press Enter to separate it to 2 blocks.
Part 2. The influence of culture. Our culture can also impact our.
I'll repeat the same for the next headings, and when you are done, you can export it as an MP3 file. Now let's go back to Pictory. Still on the audio section, go to My Uploads tab and drag your audios here. After it's loaded, click this button to apply it to the entire video, and Pictory will automatically sync the audio with the video, which you can then preview.
Welcome to Money Matters, your go-to source for finance tips and tricks.
You can control the background music on the first tab and reduce the volume at where it says Audio Settings. You can reduce it here with the slider, and if you wish to remove it completely on the video, you can click on the settings on the screen, then toggle the button off and check the right box to apply it to all scenes. To check your video, you can click the preview button at the top and wait for it to load.
Welcome to Money Matters, your go-to source for finance tips and tricks. By understanding the impact of upbringing. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so that you don't miss any of our latest videos.
If you are done with it, you can click on Generate, and your video will be available for download. You may be brought to the project page, where you can download it as an MP4. And this is the finished video.
Welcome to Money Matters, your go-to source for finance tips and tricks. Today, we're going to dive into the fascinating world of the psychology of money. Money isn't just about numbers and budgets. It's also about emotions, attitudes, and beliefs. By understanding how our minds work when it comes to money, we can make better financial decisions and achieve our financial goals. So, make sure to hit that subscribe button to stay updated with our latest videos. Part 1. The impact of upbringing. The way we were raised can have a significant impact on our financial mindset. If we grew up in a family that struggled with money, we might have developed a scarcity mindset, where we feel like there is never enough money. Alternatively, if we grew up in a family that was financially comfortable, we might have developed a more abundant mindset, where we feel like there is always enough money. Understanding how our upbringing has influenced our mindset can help us make more conscious financial decisions. Part 2. The influence of culture. Our culture can also impact our financial mindset. Some cultures view money as a taboo topic, while others view it as a status symbol. Understanding our cultural attitudes toward money can help us recognize any limiting beliefs or biases we may have around money. By becoming aware of these beliefs, we can start to shift our mindset and make better financial decisions. Part 3. The power of emotions. Money can elicit a range of emotions, from fear and anxiety to happiness and excitement. These emotions can influence our financial decisions, sometimes leading us to make choices that are not in our best interest. By understanding how emotions impact our financial decisions, we can learn to manage our emotions and make more rational choices. In conclusion, the psychology of money is an essential topic for anyone who wants to make smart financial decisions. By understanding the impact of upbringing, culture, and emotions on our financial mindset, we can make more conscious financial decisions and achieve our financial goals. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so that you don't miss any of our latest videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.
So this is how you can make YouTube videos using AI tools like ChatGPT, Pictory, and Murf. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below, and I will be willing to answer. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Digital Scholar. Watch this next video to learn how you can create 30 Instagram posts in a few minutes. See you there.